Check this out. I used to get these all the time when I saw them. This one was made in 2018. I think the pandemic did that magazine in. Yep. Pretty crazy. What do, dude?
Last night, huh?
I figure there's quite a few things to keep in mind when you're going to embark on recovering a vehicle that that may have terrible problems. The engines, I've looked at the internet, the engines are a couple $1,000. I would be ambitious enough to do it myself, but it would probably take a better part of a year to do it myself, because engines are very intricate machines. So I just thought I'd do a little bit of commentary today, because I'm not really even going to bust into this vehicle that much today, if at all, because some things are going on in my life that I just can't get on this right now. So hopefully it won't be another year before I get to it. But like I checked on the internet, the things that need to come off of this engine when I go take it is this is the intake that needs to come off. These valve covers need to come off. The manifold, the exhaust manifold needs to come off, both sides. All the pulleys and all the components that make the engine, or probably comfort control or whatever it's called over here. I took the alternator off. The power steering pump, probably everything over here on this side should come off. But that's why I have a big piece of cardboard right there. You see that big piece of cardboard? Yeah, it provides a lot of comfort when you want to lay down and do stuff on the ground. But I might need to take the leaf blower and blow this. Yeah, to get it done. I might even blow the whole vehicle and blow the inside and everything, since I got vacuumed up most of the rat poop. No signs of any more rats coming in here. So I'm going to also include a little bit of a internet search when you're preparing for the next step in this process. Oh wait, is this the... Oh, thought it was something. Up until 2019, this was my wheels. Well, this is, I've said before, and I still mean it, you know, a little bit of something is better than nothing. So I'm going to try to remove these two these valve covers. get them removed, and then I'm gonna be hopefully be set. Yeah, that's it for the day at least. I might even be able to remove this, and it looks like these manifold cover thingies look like they're easy to remove too. Because removing this top part was pretty much a couple hour job, but you just see how we go. Well, when you suggested if possible wear some gloves when you're doing this. Last time I worked on this, my hands got really dirty, and it's not good to have dirty hands in public. You look like a mechanic, and I'm not a mechanic. I'm just a guy trying to get his van running. Actually, it's not my van. Honestly, this is not in my van, and I need to find out all the details before I even do anything with this van. Because chances are, it might be cheaper to buy a used vehicle. Because I saw a used Astro, supposedly a used Astro cargo van, like 5,000 bucks. So is it possible that this, oh wait, what is this? Ooh, these are 8 also. This is a 10 millimeter, sorry. This is a 10 millimeter. And maybe I could take off this whole top end before 4 o'clock. I'm gonna need to have a different torque to, there's rat poop over here. Golly, never vacuumed over there. Oh, dropped the socket on the floor. This is a smaller 10 millimeter to get over here in this gap. These things aren't even tight, so don't know if that's significant or not. So these ones, it's pretty loose right now, so it would be nice to get all brand new bolts, brand new valve covers, brand new everything, brand new car. These could be stored all together if I do right. this off. Ooh. And then I'm gonna put these screws right here for storage. So for the records, this valve cover with the hose thing goes at the top. And I'm gonna put these screws here, and I already dropped them over here, so that's this sloppiness. This is not professional at all, this whole setup, so hopefully if you do plot out one of your rebuilds or whatever project you're doing, make sure you have all the, see, this all looks kind of good in my unprofessional opinion, but there's no way to tell if there has been any damage to this engine. So I'm gonna try to get that intake manifold off, and then I'll be like pretty satisfied. I accomplished something today. See? It's like anything. It's just one bolt at a time.
You were supposed to help me this weekend, too. Yep, you said you'd be over.
You mean the weekend that passed or is coming up?
The weekend that passed.